Welcome. I'm here to present you today our new 18-volt cordless percussion drill, the BSB-18 CBL. This unit is powered by the brand new brushless motor that gives you the perfect ratio between power, speed, ergonomic and runtime. In terms of power, the unit delivers a fantastic torque of 75 Nm in first gear and 30 Nm in second gear. In terms of speed, with 550 RPM in the first gear, you will be able to perform every drilling application at the fastest speed as possible. In second gear, with 2100 RPM, this makes this unit absolutely fantastic for drilling into metal or into concrete. In terms of ergonomics, the product is also extremely compact, 193 mm only in length. That can be reduced down to 151 if you remove the chuck and access to the quarter-hex bit reception under it. In terms of ergonomics, still, you have here a 3-mode selector that will help you to switch quickly from high torque application on the drilling mode to screw driving application that will engage the clutch cap and make sure that your screw is flushing perfectly on the material, to of course the hammer mode that will help you to drill into concrete. Still in ergonomics, if you want to have a perfect balance between runtime, power and of course lightweight with 2 kg and 100 grams, you can use it with our 4 amps new battery packs. But if you want to privilege the ergonomics over the runtime, you can still have the possibility to use our brand new 2 amps Pro Lithium pack and reduce the weight to the tool to 1.8 kg. But the most important aspect of this product is actually its versatility. You can perform an incredible number of applications with only one product. First one, as I mentioned before, the chuck is removable. This means here you have a quarter-hex reception where you can place every 25 mm bits on the market. You can realize that the bit stays in the reception even when you have the chuck mounted on it. This makes this product ideal for every driving applications and drilling applications in series, such as building a terrace. And here you can see on the demo that you can quickly change from your drill bit to your screw driving bit by just a simple click. Equipped with a 13 mm chuck, in combination with the 75 Nm of torque delivered in first gear, you can perform heavy-duty drilling application such as this 54 mm self-feed bit directly into pine. You have also a high torque in second speed that will help you to drill this 22 mm auger bit directly into pine and in second speed at 2100 RPM. But this speed is also ideal for drilling into metal. And here you can see with this 6 mm metal bit how fast you can perform this drilling application in this solid piece of metal. But the versatility doesn't stop here. As we can remove the chuck, we have developed also attachment that can replace the chuck and help you to perform applications where normally you couldn't do. For instance, we have developed a right angle attachment. You can place it in 12 different positions as you want, and you can use it for driving screws, even the largest like this one, in the tightest corner. If you need to drill in corner, the 13 mm chuck can be mounted on the attachment, and then you can perform here again with this 54 mm self-feed bit the same kind of application as you would have done with the chuck mounted directly on the tool. If you want to drill in second speed in corner, you can still do it. The tool will deliver the same speed, and here you can see you can drill still with this 6 mm metal bit directly into this solid piece of metal, even with the right angle attachment mounted on it. For light screw driving applications in tight corner, we have another solution. If you have to drive some screws in the corner, like for building a kitchen for instance, you will use also this offset attachment that will help you to drive the screws even in the tightest corner. Finally, the LED mounted on the footprint of the tool and light perfectly the workpiece without any shadow. All these features make this new 18-volt percussion drill a perfect addition to our Pro 18-volt system.